Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you restore your previous file explorer in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the file explorer that I have been pinned in my taskbar. See, when I keep my mouse on this icon, the icon will reveal the file explorer, that is, see. So now I am clicking this. See here the things. Here I have only quick access link or quick access things. Here the favorites things that after you have, this is the have. So you have favorite some files. We will show them here. So when I have clicked this, see. So right now I have an instance of favorite file that have will show this thing. So now I will show the old or previous things. So here the home, here also home icon also have been written. So I will go to this and I will write the control. See, this have already revealed as because I have used it just now. So here I will do this. See here the control panel page. Now I will see here the up to desktop, or you can use from the key Alt plus up arrow from the keyboard button. So now I will click this. It will taking some times. See here the search tool desktop option. See, recently whatever I have used this, here the things has been shown. So in this way we can explore the file explorer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.